some solutions also in solid form. Solid homogeneous mixture can be called solid solutions. Examples are solid mixtures of different melted metals. These mixtures of metals are also called alloys. We actually see many alloys around us. The most common type of alloy are steel, bronze, and brass. Remember that these metals are mixtures, and these are examples of solid solutions. Do you remember these? Some solutes dissolve easily than others. This property of solute is called solubility. When you put sugar and salt in separate glasses with the same amount of water, which one do you think will dissolve faster? The sugar dissolves faster in solvents than salt does. This is because sugar is more soluble than salt. Solutions also vary in concentration and dilution. What about these? If you put more solute in the same amount of solvent, the resulting solution becomes concentrated. Example, if you put so much sugar in a glass of water, this sugar solution becomes concentrated. On the other hand, if you add more solvent than the amount of solute, the resulting solution becomes diluted. Therefore, a concentrated solution has more solute and less solvent, while diluted solution has more solvent and less solute. That is why, if you want to complain about your tasteless tea, tell your mother that your tea is diluted and you want it a little concentrated. Salt, sugar, and coffee powder are solids which are soluble in water. But if a solid substance does not dissolve in a solvent, it is said to be insoluble in that solvent. Example of insoluble substance are sand. Sand is insoluble in water. Rocks and mud are also insoluble in water. Salt, sugar, and coffee powder are all solid. But did you know that there are also liquids that are soluble in other liquids? That's right. If liquids are soluble or mix well with water, it is called miscibility. Liquids like vinegar, soy sauce, and alcohol are miscible in water. Liquids are miscible if they dissolve in each other to form a homogeneous or uniform mixture. On the other hand, if liquids do not dissolve in each other, it is said that those liquids are immiscible. Have you ever tried mixing water and oil? What did you observe? That's right, oil does not mix with water. When a small amount of oil is mixed with water, the oil floats on top of water as little blobs. And when so much oil gets spilled on water, it forms a layer on top of the water. Therefore, if we compare miscible and immiscible liquids, we will know that miscible liquids form a homogeneous mixture, while immiscible liquids does not, because like mixture of oil and water, it is a heterogeneous mixture. Do you remember these?